Hello, my name is Lydia Ahrens and I'm going to be demoing Puro, the application, for you. So currently, if you're going to be a new user logging into the application, you're going to sign in with a new email. This is going to be the email always associated with your account. If you try to sign in with another email, it's going to say that you're a new user. This is also going to be a way that others can interact with you or contact you. So make sure that your password is 8 characters long and you should be good to go to the next screen. So the next screen is obviously a sign up screen. You're going to add a picture of yourself so that other users can see you and know what you look like before they interact with you, before you come clean their property or before you host a property towards them. You're going to also want to put your name that you would be comfortable sharing with others. Then you're going to put your location because this is going to help you choose which properties you want to clean or help pull in cleaners to your property. So you can also choose between being a host or a cleaner. You're going to still have the same actions with the platform. It's just going to change how you appear to others. I chose to be a host. So now that we're in, we all have the same home screen. It's going to show that you're a host. Your profile will too, along with your location and email. So since we're a host, let's make a property. We're going to go to View Properties. We don't have any yet because we're a new user. So we're going to upload some. We're going to upload the name that we want it to be addressed by. That could be the street address or whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to put in the actual address, the city, so that others know where they may be going for the day if they're cleaning. And then we're also going to put in the price. This is going to be the amount you fund to have a property cleaned and also going to be the incentive. We're going to have the decision to list it as a property or just keep it around. So now we're going to go to the next property. We didn't choose to post the last one. So this time we're going to actually list this property so that others can see it. Cleaners, because we're a host, they're going to see it and they're going to be like that it's an active listing and they'll be able to sign up on it. So let's list it. Next, we're going to post another property just to get the hang of it. This one is 390 Carlisle Circle, and then we're also going to be putting it into the city of Columbia. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and post it. Now we can view our current properties that we have. We can now also go to listings to see what a cleaner would see when they're looking for listings to sign up for. Currently they see that 406 is not listed, but they see that the other two are listed and cleaners would be able to take these and add them to their schedule. Currently message and transaction are still being worked out to better perform for you, the user, so that you can contact and also pay one another. Now we're going to just go to schedule so you can see the format of really easy schedule that's going to be able to be read, and then it's going to circle the current date and also have the properties that you're getting cleaned on a certain date, or it's going to display the listings that you've taken upon as a job for yourself. Now we're going to just visit our contact us page. That's another finished product. Please let us know if you have any suggestions for improvement upon our app. And then finally, we have a terms of service page, which is going to essentially display the frameworks on which we run our app. So now that we've seen all the screens, let's just go ahead and log out. We're going to go right back up to home. We're going to go ahead and click out on that logout button, and you're done. Thank you guys for joining me and watching Puro.